everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss a new problem statement in this Python programming language, that is to check the either entered number is Armstrong or not. So actually what does a Armstrong mean? So actually Armstrong number means that the sum of digit power length is equals to given number. It means that consider an example 153 plus 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube is equals to the given number is said to be Armstrong number. And now we are going to write the code of this problem statement. First take input from this user, that is the as usual method which we use it to take input from the user. Instead of input, enter a number to check either it's a Armstrong or not. Now here we are going to use the while loop. While the entered number is greater than 0, then we are going to perform some calculations and we are going to find out either it's a Armstrong or not. So as you know, the digit is equal to num modulo 10, and from this you have to specify sum here. Where before that we have to find out the length of the number, right? So for this length, use a variable length is equals to, and so actually we do not have any separate functions to find the length of an integer, but we can find the length of a string. That is the reason why we convert the entered number into the string str of num. And now here we are going to find out the length of the string by using the function len of string of num. This is the way here we are going to find the length of a number, where the number is converted to the string, and we are going to find out its length. Now from here we are going to declare a variable sum is equals to 0, and from this we get sum is equals to sum plus, and here in this Python we have a function called power. Power is equals to digit comma digit power length, right? So digit power length, and we are going to print that num is equals to num floor 10, num is equals to num floor 10. So we will see print where we are going to print the sum. Now let's run this program and let's see what does we get as a output. Okay, so this is the actual code to find out the Armstrong number, and we will explain with a test case by taking an example. Was till then it asks that enter a number, but suppose enter 153. So it gives that 153. It means that Armstrong number, I say that the sum of digit power length is equals to the sum of digit power length is equals to the given number. So for more way we are going to print it. For the Armstrong is we are going to print that is nothing but a sum. For variable temp is equal to num, we are storing a num in the temporary variable, and here to check the number is Armstrong number, we are here going to if else condition statements. If the entered temp is double is equals to our sum, then here we are going to print it is a Armstrong number. It is a Armstrong number. So else statement, here we are going to else if the temp is not equals to the sum. Now here we are going to print out it is not Armstrong, it is not Armstrong. So now let's run this program and let's see what does we get as a output. Okay, let's save this and let's run this program and let's see what does we get a output. So at that enter a number, let per suppose enter a number again 153, you will get a more clarified, where the Armstrong is 153 and it is a Armstrong number. Actually Armstrong, from here we said that the the sum of digit power length is, and we are going to print out the sum. Now let's run this program and let's see what does we get as a output. Okay, so let's run this program. So it asks that to enter a number. For suppose enter a number which is not Armstrong. Enter a random number 123. It gives that the sum of digit power length is 36. As usual, I said that the sum of digit power length, when the sum is equals to this temporary variable, then it's a Armstrong number. Where 36 is not equals to 123, then it is not a Armstrong number. Okay. This is the program to find either enter number is Armstrong or not. Now let's test this program, how does it works with a test case, where suppose user entered number is 153. As you know that we have to find the length of a number. It means that the user entered number having how many digits, that is nothing but length is equals to len of string of 153. We are converting that integer into a string, and from this we will get 153 is a 3-digit number, right? From this we will get the length of a string is 3, and where 153 num is greater than 0, 153 is greater than 0, digit is equals to 153 modulo 10. From this your modulus always returns a remainder. From this you will get a 3. And initialization we have given that sum is equals to 0. From this you will get sum is equals to sum plus digit power length, where sum plus digit power length, right, where sum is equals to 0, 3 power 3. It means that 3 cube is nothing but 27. Here again num is equals to num floor 10, right? 153 floor 10 you will get a 15.3, and from this where floor always returns 8 digits before the decimal point, from this you will get as a 15, and again 15 is greater than 0, digit is equals to 15 modulo 10. From this you will get a 1.5, where modulus always returns a remainder, where 5, and sum is equals to sum plus digit power length, where sum is updated to the 27 from here, and where sum is equals to 27 plus digit power length, digit is nothing but a 5 and power is nothing but a 3, where 27 plus 5 cube is 125. From this you will get a 152, and num is equals to 15, right? 15 floor 10 you will get a 1.5, where floor always returns a digit before the decimal point. From this you will get as a 1, where again 1 is greater than 0, and digit is equals to 1 modulo 10. From this you will get a 0.1, where sum is updated from here, where sum is equals to 152, and 152 plus 1 cube is nothing but a 1, where from this sum you will get a 153, and num is equals to 1 floor 10 you will get a 0.1. Floor always returns a digit before the decimal point. From you will get a 0, where 0 greater than 0 is a false, and the loop stops here, where from this you will get as a num is equals to, where sum is 153, that is equals to the temporary variable. Temporary variables is nothing but our actual number is 153, where when the sum is equals to the original number, then it's said to be Armstrong number. If it is not equals to original number, then it is not said to be Armstrong number, where this is the how we find out either enter number is a Armstrong or not. Please, if you have any doubts, please go through the comment section, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.